Top 10 startups who made it big in Singapore. For some, to become an entrepreneur might be a dream, but for few others, it is a passion. You can enjoy each and every moment of business by making your own decisions whether it may end up in good or not. There is no business in the world that exists without challenges. Whatever may be the challenges, stay positive while approaching it. Challenges faced by startups. Tech empowered startups versus non tech empowered startups. Business running without technology. Hard to communicate with huge number of target audience. Huge investment of time and money to make profits. Lot of complications while handling the business, especially for startups. For example, billing and accounting becomes a daunting task without the use of technology. Business empowered with technology. Possible to interact with global customers effortlessly. For example, via website, blog, you can seamlessly convey your products and services. Saves your time and helps to invest more for expanding the enterprise. If you are looking for overseas business, then digitalization is one best possible way to achieve it. Simplifies the trading process and helps the businessmen in a smarter way. Reliable software will support the businesses to the next level. Moibo software can be purchased through grants available in Singapore. You can consider this as a first stop for reducing the accounting and billing work. Famous startups in the world: SnackPass, Kazoo, Heaven, Meetable, Lucky Zero, Highrise, Food Services. List of top 10 startups in Singapore. Tessa. This biotech company is taking immense steps to bring positive changes for cancer patients. Lazada. It is one of the best e-commerce niches in Southeast Asia. Within a very short duration, Lazada has improved its business in many countries: Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and in Thailand. Carousel. This is C2C, consumer to consumer startup hub which holds multiple product categories. The businesses like car cleaning services, house cleaning services, rental services, or any other services are connected to Carousel. KodaPay. The ultimate aid of KodaPay is to make digital entertainment reachable. Even without the debit or credit cards, customer can pay via KodaPay. CargoBase. With a base of easy to utilize platforms, CargoBase simplifies the task of logistics services for providers and shippers. Control Shift. Launched in 2015, this advertising company has its headquarters in Singapore. Same year, the Control Shift was also listed in Top 50 Thriving Startups in Southeast Asia by Founders Grid. HairTrunk. HairTrunk is reliable, fast, and also cost effective. After longer time investment for R&D, the company came up with groundbreaking technology. According to the company's news media, HairTrunk has started data centers as an aim of extending its APAC. Trip Villas. With the assistance of Trip Villas, one can enjoy the trip by staying in comfortable and well-maintained villas. The capability development team of Trip Villas are greatly involved in offering the training software for entrepreneurs. Referral Candy. The company is involved in running a campaign as sort of marketing through which your business can get many referrals in turn sales. 8 Villages. Imagine what would happen if cloud technology shakes hands with farmers' activities. And that is 8 Villages. With just 8 years of launch, the company has got tremendous support and growth from customers. Conclusion. The ultimate goal of this list of top startup companies in Singapore is to encourage the newbie entrepreneurs in the country. They must be encouraged not only for their benefits but also to improve the economy of the country.